Hello. Is the scene changed? Yeah, it is. All right. So, the plan for today is to, write an nvim plugin for the first time ever. I think the nvim ecosystem is pretty neat, so I'm not expecting any big issues, but yeah, this is gonna be rough. All right. Font size. I think that should be enough for this. Yeah, that's fine. All right. What do we call it? nvim-cmp graphql. Yeah. So today I want to write a plugin for neovim-cmp to provide auto completion for my GraphQL queries based on whatever schema I provide. So it'll just give me the fields right in the editor, which I think would be should be fairly simple. I don't know. I may stumble a bit, but definitely worth trying out. Actually, let's not start with this bit. Let's create a temporary project as well in addition to this, which will be take nvim cmp graphql example. So I mean, I don't need to get here, but still. Okay, I'll need to take a break. My dog is going crazy. Break time. Okay, am I back? Yes, I am. All right. So, okay, where was I? Let's pick this back up. This would be the example project. So I don't think I need much here. I think, yeah, so I'll need a JS file, of course. Let's bring that up, and I need example queries. So usually the way you write queries in GraphQL would be something like this. Fetch stuff equals GQL, and you go nuts on it. Whatever, queries, fetch stuff, stuff. Let's not have arguments in this one. ID. Okay, that autocomplete was not helpful. ID, name. That's it. And other stuff. I'm having a keyboard stroke. Other stuff would be, let's have args on this one. So something like where name equals, I think Hasara as this convention, right? Underscore EQ. Nice. I'm not very creative. I just blurt out the first word that comes to mind, which is nice. Okay, let's. I don't think LSP is active in this one because it's not giving me any errors. Yeah, yes and not found. I think that's all right. We're not going to be dealing with LSP all that much. I'm just gonna do another one. Mutation update stuff. So I've got mutation update stuff. Here's stuff. I'm going to be doing an update on this one. I just need the ID for this. I'm not going to go too complex on that one. Actually, let's first get the schema. So this website over here, it'll just allow us to generate a schema JSON file, which is what we'll be using to generate the completions. We need the schema represented as a JSON file. So we don't need schema types. Schema types is for fancy people. We need simple old JSON. There it is. All right, let's create a schema. I guess mutation, there's no mutation, which we definitely need. Mutation, and we don't need this many variations of something. Let's keep it simple. Search, yeah, let's keep search, and we also need to define mutation. There's mutation. Update user, where, okay, I'll have to, this kind of sucks. Let's define this. Yeah, update user where payload update user payload, and we'll return the user. Yeah, I don't know why we're struggling with this tiny, oh, I can't resize this. Yeah, thanks for the great user interface. Okay, so what do we not need? Node search. Yeah, I think that'll be good to have a node interface because it gives us a more complex example of what to do. User chat. Nah, let's get rid of chat message. Let's simplify this. Let's just have stuff. That doesn't make any sense, but yeah, user has stuff. Get over it. User has a lot of stuff created at, and stuff has name. Stuff have name. Well, why are you confused about that? There's no chat, there's only stuff. I shouldn't be spending this much time on this because this is not even the part that has anything to do with fuck off. That has anything to do with neovim. We haven't even gotten to that yet. Let's give it. Yeah, this looks ugly. Okay, so this is good. This is fine, I think. Update user where. Okay, yeah, I need to define these guys. Type update user where. Let's have ID. Let's go with. Let's simplify this. Let's just have ID. Yeah. Username string, and the update payload would be something similar but without the ID because we don't want users to be able to edit their IDs unless that's the kind of DB that you're building. Yeah, that's about it. All right, we've got a schema. Let's keep this tab open. Let's do schema.json. Oh, graphql.schema. That's a lot of JSON. Let's just send JQ this. That's good. Formatted this, explains why this element was deprecated. There's a deprecated element. What is this? Okay, I shouldn't. Yeah, I'm not going to be dealing with that. Please not today. So fetch stuff. So we're going to be fetching user. Let's go back to the schema over here. Where is the queries? User. ID is variable ID. We'll have to define the ID. Oh, fuck you, autocomplete. ID is ID. That's something we need. And this one is search. Search. We're going to be searching for the term. Let's make that term. Okay. This part isn't all that relevant either. Yeah, I see a pattern here. I'm procrastinating with things that don't matter. Awesome. Oh, Speaking of fragments, we do need fragment support for this thing, but this is a little confusing because inline fragments, how do we support fragments? Yeah, let's do this then. Let's do, what was it? On, is this the syntax? On user or stuff, actually. Stuff ID. I think this is how it goes. I'm not sure. This was the syntax. What else is there in stuff? We've got so much stuff. There's user. So let's do user of that stuff. So we get more nested examples for this. Username. Okay. Search. I don't think we're gonna use search all that much. Let's update this one as well. Update stuff. Update stuff. Let's keep that as is. Let's update the username. ID, which would be the ID that we're updating, and username. String. None of this matters all that much because we're just dealing with the syntax. Let's do it right, because the itch in the brain tells me to do things right. Update user where ID is variable ID and payload is, yeah, username is username. And I can add more stuff here depending on what username has. Let's add role. Yeah, we've got an example going. None of this actually matters. I wasted a little too much time just procrastinating on this. A little break, too many breaks today, but let's check up on my dog. back again. Nobody tells you about this side of streaming. Having a misbehaving dog. He chewed up all the furniture. And he's annoying me now. Oh, sweet boy. Okay. So, I don't have a plan yet. So let's, over here we've got the schema going, the schema JSON. Oh yeah, it's still getting ignored. Let's add that in. Init commit is the shit. There it is. Okay, so now we're actually finally getting to Lua and some nvim stuff. So let's, yeah, there it is. I don't want to make a plugin called PPP. I want to make a plugin called CMP GraphQL or GQL. I think that makes more sense. Yeah, let's do this. Let's add, okay, break time. My dog is annoying me. Okay, back again. Let's, yeah, where was I? I am making the plugin. Finally at the Lua bit. Don't show me this again. Don't show again. Okay. Yeah, local. We want a source. And actually I should just copy this over from a different plugin. CMP. Actually, there should be help here, right? Help CMP. Development. No, that didn't take me anywhere. Help CMP develop. Is that it? Yeah, there it is. This is the boilerplate stuff. Not all of it is needed, but let's just paste that. There it is. So we need this. Debug name is pointless, I think. Not this. We don't need this. Invoke completion. Yep, this thing is needed. Let's stick with the example just to see it work. Resolve and execute we are not going to be using. I think the only relevant parts here are, yeah, we'll use this to identify whether we're in the right path, and also whether if we're inside the GraphQL sub document. So let's go over to our example. So in this case, we have GraphQL inside of a document. Inside of a JavaScript file, we have a GraphQL template string which contains our queries. So we want to identify whether we're inside one. Also, doing this here, I don't think this would identify this as, yeah, let's see what this is. Yeah, this when we're outside the query, it identifies it as a template string, so that won't be a problem. Anytime we're inside here, yep, we've got selection set for GraphQL parser. That's awesome. So I don't know yet how we're going to identify whether we're I don't know if we can check which parser is active at the moment. Let's see, we'll just play it by ear. So we've got these two functions which we need, and let's register our source, which is GraphQL or GQL, actually GQL. Okay, is there anything we're missing? Can I just search help for this? I don't think so. Help. Nope. Thanks, neovim. Nothing. I mean, I'll just go on GitHub and find the types from there. Okay, so where am I? Drop frames. Oh no, we've dropped some frames. That's all right. So, oh wait, I need to. Yeah, this stream is going pretty messy, which is what I expected for the most part. Okay, so yeah, I've lost my train of thought here. Coming back. All right. Let me just adjust some stuff off screen for a second. Yeah, there I am. Okay, so back to nvim stuff. Okay, let's test this first. Let's see if requiring this in, we've got what is the path over here? CMP GraphQL. No, nvim-cmp GraphQL. Set that in first, and then JS require Lua require. I'm having a stroke. So what was our plugin called again? CMP GraphQL. Hey, okay, I may have specified the path here wrong. What is it? Projects, nvim-cmp GraphQL. Yeah, what the hell? cd dev projects nvim-cmp GraphQL. What is the problem, nvim? Can you just tell me? Do I have to guess? There's the error again. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Okay, GQL. Yeah, alright. This error finally makes some sense. Attempt to call field new. Oh fuck, I removed. Where was it? Develop. I removed the constructor. Wait, there is no constructor here. Hey, that's not fair. You're supposed to give me the constructor as well. Source.new. Hey, this is incomplete. Okay, let's just write the constructor. Source.new, and we need, what is it? Yeah, self equals, what was it? Meta table set, meta table, and underscore index is source. That's how you do it, right? I don't remember how. I'm not a Lua dev. I'm just playing by ear. Let's see if this worked. Actually, let's make this easier. Index.js. Let's require. Oh, Lua require. What was our plugin called again? CMP GQL. Getting it right this time. Fuck. What's the problem? Oh, TS server. I'm fine with that. I don't need TypeScript here. Alright, no worries. So do I get January? No, I don't. Jan, no. Oh, right. That actually makes sense. Okay, finally something that makes sense. Let's add another file, which would be our example. And here we'll just, should we set this up? Actually, yeah, let's just go all in with this. Let's set, how do we set up CMP? Let's require CMP dot setup. Let's see, do I have help for this? Config schema. Okay, that was not helpful, Lua. What the hell? Mappings, no, I'm looking for sources. Is there an example use for this? Yeah, there it is. I just need to specify the name then. Sources equals name equals what's, again, getting it right. Yeah, that should do it. I don't have my plugin here, so CMP GQL. Oh, let's stay consistent. Local equals require CMP GQL. So, sorry about that. So we've got our setup. And here instead of this would be requiring our example, which would just set everything up for us. That is disappointing. Where did I fuck it up? That's not helpful. CMP EQL. Oh, I forgot to return. My god, I'm a dummy. Yeah, this is our base now. This should work. Please. I don't know how to get rid of this error. Should I just set up TypeScript here? Yeah, let's just. It's not gonna bother me. I mean, this error messages bother me, but the node modules in here may not bother me. Git ignore. Let's just add this in. God, working with JS toolchains is so fucking annoying. Log. There it is. Yay. We've got basic stuff going for us. let's open this back up. Is there an error? Why is there an error here? We've got TypeScript here in our project. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll just install TypeScript to make the LSP overlords happy. Let's just run this. Yay! Finally, that stupid error is gone. So, we should have January in our autocompletion, which we don't. Ah, that is disappointing. Why not? CMP setup, is there anything more to this? Oh, right, I gave it the wrong source name. Why is it that I'm constantly fucking up with the names? Okay, now it should work. January, yay! Finally, holy shit. So, we don't need any of this. Let's just do a basic what else do we need? Kind is, what the fuck? No, okay, I remember. It's cmp lsp dot, I'll have to import that first, but yeah, I'll find the enum and cmp lsp. Require cmp dot lsp types dot lsp dot, there's an enum kind, completion item kind dot field, because we're going to be auto completing the GraphQL field, so I think this makes sense. And there's also insert text, which we'd want to be what the fuck? January as a field, just to give it something to do. And let's add a description. What was it called? Documentation. Some documentation. I think we'll get this from the schema. I'm not sure. I think it has some details and shit. There's also another one, detail. I don't know where these would be displayed, but where is this? Okay, so let's try this again. January. Okay, where is this? This is a field. This is the field's description. Yeah, so this should be fine. Good starting point. All right, so first of all, we need to make sure that we're inside the GraphQL document. To do that, let's use tree setup. So what we do is current node, get current node or something, equals swim.tree setter.get. Okay, is this not it? Get string parser. Nope. Let's, yeah, there it is. Get captures. No, that returns string. Get node at cursor. That's the one I was thinking of. All right. Dot get node at cursor, and it needs win number. I don't know. Okay, 0 for current window. Let's just print this. It's type, right? Yeah. Okay, that's not what I was looking for actually. I need t node. Get node at cursor. Wait, this isn't. What the fuck? This is not what I'm looking for either. It gives me the name of the node. Actually, let's just print that and see what we get. I need the node type. Oh. So get node at piece of shit POS gives me the T node, but the other one doesn't. Thank you. I'll just note that down here. Okay, so we've got the node name. Let's try this. So if I do something here, I get template string. If I do something here, I get selection set. What if I'm inside arguments? The message is displayed over here, by the way, if you can't see. Again, selection set. What if I do something here? Inline fragment. That is amazing. Yes. Playground. What was it called? TS playground toggle. Yep. User ID and all that. Arguments, selection set, inline fragment. Type condition, name type. Oh. Yeah, fragments might be a little complicated to get working, but yeah, let's just do one thing at a time. Let's focus on get node at piece of shit. Node vim.treesitter.get node at piece of shit. Buffer number. I'm gonna stop making that joke. It was never funny. So vim, what was it? Vim dot, should I just, how do I get buffer number? Yep, no. Vim dot, how do I get the buffer number? Let's just buffer number percent. Didn't this give me the buffer number? I don't know, it's not auto completing the way I expected, so I'm a little confused. Let's see if this throws an error. That's how JavaScript devs work. Just run it, throws an error, Okay, so I need line, the current line and the column. I know this. I think I'm completely relying on this autocomplete over here. Let's do let's just guess. Is it cursor get selection? No, cursor vim.api.cursor get cursor. Hey, what does this give me? I have to give it the window and I have to unpack it to get line. And is it line? Yeah, it is line and column. And what else does this guy need? Options. Options is optional, so we don't need it. Okay, so we've got this. Would be better to have it as a separate function. Would be better to have it as a separate function. Let's see. Should I just crawl to the root of the document and see if recursively do that and see if one of those is yeah, I'm a little confused over here. Does that make sense? Maybe let's see if there's a way to get vim.treesitter.get get parser, get string parser, returns a parser for a specific buffer and file type and attaches it to the buffer. That's not helpful. Get string parser is another one. String parser, nope, that doesn't help either. Parser, parse query, nope, that's not it either. So is there a way to get the parser, the active parser at my cursor? That doesn't really compute to me how that would work, but get node at post, let's do this. Oh, break time. I need to check my dog's well-being because, or actually I need to check my furniture's well-being because my dog will be fine, my furniture will not be. So break. Yeah, back again. My dog was fine, my furniture was fine. He's just a sweet little boy taking a nap. I was profiling him. He's a dog, he must be destroying something. No, he's not. He's just a sweet little boy. Okay. This is not helpful at all. Get node at range, get parser, nope. Get string parser is ancestor. Determines whether a node. Can I create a TS node? No, actually, yeah, that won't be helpful. Is node in range? Node contains start. None of these seem that useful. Inspect. Nah. Require language. Add directive. Nope, none of these are useful. That's great. Get query, parse query, iter captures, iter matches, set query. Yeah, this is not taking me anywhere. Oh wait, language tree. Children contains destroy. That's how you say it. Language tree dot destroy. For each child, for each tree. Include regions. Nope, none of these are relevant to me. Invalid included regions is valid. Lang. Get the language of this tree node. Okay, so if I can get the language tree, I can get the language, which I know it's like obvious, but still, can I get the language tree from something else? There it is. Get string. Oh wait, I have to give it the language. That makes no sense. If I'm giving it the language, I already know the language, but I don't. That's the whole point of doing this. Yeah, that went nowhere. Okay. So the conclusion here is I'm an idiot, and also this was a waste of time. Let's get back to the older approach, which would be to, I want to go recursively, but let's do it simple. Is a while true, do that. Okay, so while node type is not equal to what is it called at the root? What can we use to identify that we're inside a GraphQL node? It's to, can I highlight this? I don't know. Yeah, okay. So template string and then document. This is what we'll need to use. For now, let's just do document. Is there any other document? Okay, there are two documents, both inside the template literal. Immediately inside the template literal. Okay, document. And actually also I need to check if node parent, or wait, my node type local parent equals node parent. Oh, right, and node type is not equal to null. So here what I'll keep doing is I'll traverse upwards out of the document till I figure out where I am is. Oh wait, that's not helpful. Let's actually do it differently. Local function get, wait, is GQL document, and let's take that up there. If I encounter this guy, return the no, return true. That's what I want to do. Else I return false. Let's remove this then. Oh, not node. Let's give it node over here. Let's bring this down. Is GQL document node. Hey, we've got it. Redefine look. Oh, okay. Let's just do n then to avoid confusion. This should be parent. Yeah, this seems right. Is there an issue here? Let's start it back up. A, that is disappointing. BUFNR. Oh, right. I wasn't sure about this. Is it .api? .buff number? Nope. .fn .buff number. There it is. That's what I wanted. Let's start this back up. Did I print it out? Wait, January. Yep, January is available here, but it should not be available here, but I am erroring out. Thanks. Get noded. Piece of shit. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Yeah, this makes sense now. Do I even need it to be a function? You can just have it here, right? Change this to node. Remove this. indent this. Yeah, this makes sense. Bring it back up. So if I type Jan here, it shows up. If I type Jan here, it shows up. It shouldn't. I do, oh, this doesn't work at all. Back at square one. Oh, maybe tree setup couldn't find a node. Even that is a valid case for, if it's nil, I just return nil. And, oh, right, false, sorry. Yeah, this, is that it? Is that all you have to say? Okay, fuck. Do I do parent before this? Parent equals. Okay, that's not helpful. This confuses me. Tells me a confuse. He used a confusion spell and it worked effectively. I'm confused. Attempt to index local parent. Where? Did you tell me in line number 21? This is what I want to do. Oh, I've got it. I'm just an idiot. That was all. That's the problem here. I'm an idiot. Let's go back. Again, what's the problem? Attempt to index local tree. Where did I index tree? Nowhere apparently. Index local tree. Okay, that's something internal, so maybe I gave a function nil or something. Parent. Okay. This is. Oh, wait. Why did I do that? Okay, that thing makes sense now. I've got parent. If it's null, it won't go here. That's all fine and dandy. I do have anything else here? No. This does not compute. My brain don't know what's wrong. Is this fine? No, it's not fine. Attempt to index local tree. Init is available line 14. Let's see line 14. Get node at piece of shit. Buff number. Do I not have a buff number? Print buffner. Oh, actually, let's just print these as well. Actually, just line should be fine. Let's see what I get here. 1 and nothing. Messages. Oh, 3 and 1. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. What's the problem, buddy? Buddy boy. Tell me what the problem is, so I could fix it. Attempt to index local tree, a nil value. Line 17 it says now. Oh, before this change, I guess. 17, yep, it's the same fucking line. Node. Get tree, get node at piece of shit. Buffner. What's the problem, man? Give me what I asked for. What else? Didn't call. Let's see what this is. Wait, is it like a row column thing? Is this like 0 indexed and this one 1 indexed? I think. Oh, I exited out of my thing. Back on TypeScript. Okay, I'm not gonna bother. Let's remove package json and yarn.lock. I can't. Oh, right. I'm in the wrong project. Package json, yarn. Where is yarn? All right. Back to the start. That's not helpful at all. What the hell? Okay, I confused myself. I'm back. Lua, what is happening? Okay, I'm not. All right. Back on the saddle. Which part of it is screwing up? Oh, wait. Ignore injections. That's true by default. It shouldn't be. Is that it? I need a formatter. Nah, too much work. Okay, I think this was the reason for the screw up. Let's see. Let's run this. All right, I don't mind that. Nope, that was not it. Let's I haven't even started and I'm getting frustrated. Okay, attempting to index local. What? Local what? My man, just tell me. Tell me what is wrong. I'll fix it for you. Node parent. If node is nil, return false, which is accurate. But this is the line where that's failing, right? Which is line 14. This part does not make any sense. Smallest name node for a given. Okay, actually let's see what es node underscore said. No, not found. Okay, it should return null in that case. The problem is it never got to that stage. This is disappointing. Wait, what if I add something before it? Now, motherfucker, it works. It works. Holy shit, this whole time this was just a stupid, weird issue. Let's use this to just define a no-op. Yeah, actually, was an no-op function. It is a no-op. Okay, so we've got is available setup for this. Actually, let's remove this guy so we can open the help up vertically. We split help or something like this. Help presetter. Oh, fuck you. I just closed it. Okay. Yeah, this part's done. I think we'll also need a util function. Well, let's create a util file just to not muddy the whole thing up. Let's local util equals empty, return util function util dot. I need to get ts node under cursor. I don't know why the get node at cursor and presetter is returns the name of the node instead of the node, which is weird. I just do GQL or CMP GQL dot util. Yeah, that's perfect. Get node under cursor. Let's copy this whole thing up. Node, let's just return this. Perfect. I can just do util dot node over here. Hey, nice. Refactoring. You suddenly feel superior to every other developer in 100-mile radius when you refactor your code. Okay, just to take up less lines. It doesn't look prettier than it did, but it's still kind of thing. Let's we don't want this to block anything. I think it does by default. I'm not sure. Let's just put this up here and just so that it loads in a bit later. I'll actually pause this stream in like 15 minutes and then maybe come back in the afternoon. I've been streaming for what, 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, that seems about right. Okay, so okay, January, let's just lowercase that. Okay, so right now what we need to do, let's create a list of things that we need to do so we follow it. Here I'll need to check current node. I need to check, okay, get current node. If selection, what was selection set? It was selection set, right? Okay, not here. Over here, get node at the cursor, name, no, here, selection set, that's it. If it's selection set, we need to what do we do here? Let me just check my okay, if it's selection set, just 1 second. Okay. Yeah, so the plan is, if the current node is selection set, what we need to do is check the parent first. Check the parent node. Actually, check the ancestor. We just recursively go up the tree and see if, how do we spell ancestor? Words, why are they so difficult? Okay, check the ancestor. If the ancestor is, what is this guy? This guy should be, yes, playground toggle. Where am I? Here it is. So if it is an operation definition, I can't even copy this. What is happening with my clipboard? Anyways, if it is an operation definition, we just get the list of types from our schema, which is over here. Inside schema types, we find every one that is inside mutation or query, depending on what the operation type over here is. So okay, my brain is freezing for a bit. Right, so we check the ancestor. If the operation definition is, if the operation type is, let's do operation definition dot operation type. If that is a mutation, we check, we see all the fields inside the mutation type. Mutation type. If otherwise, if it's a field, I think that's the one we are concerned, the nested ones. If it's a field, we'll have to walk up the tree till we reach the operation definition and figure out and just follow the fields, the type there. I don't know, this part would kind of be a little difficult, I think. Anyways, that's for future me to deal with. I won't be dealing with it today. I'll try to finish this one right now, this case. I'll figure out the other case later on, and we'll have to refactor it to generalize stuff, but for now let's focus on this. Okay, so I need to find the operation definition. So to do that, I'll just recursively walk up the tree. Source underscore, oh wait, wouldn't this be self? Yeah, that should be, wait, how did that work? Okay, I don't care. Okay, if it works, it works. Okay, so I do this is, I'm not too sure about this. Actually, let's just do get operation type, right? So local function get underscore operation underscore type. So for this, we'll need a node, of course. But yeah, for this, sorry, we'll start with, okay, I'm gonna have to do recursion here. We'll optimize it later. So the base case would be to give us Yeah, I'm not sure how to access this yet, so let's leave that to future me. Let's focus on how to go to the top. So yeah, a recursive call over here would be node parent. So we're walking up the tree. If node is nil, that is, we return nil. If node is, oh wait, no. If node type is this guy, operation definition, then this is where the masala comes into play. This should be, I don't know, node. Can I get something about T node here? Can I do this? Text node? Nope. That's not what I was looking for, but okay, thanks. Thanks, Lua. Love you. Alright, I don't think I'll get that here. Let's just find tree setter over here. Let's look for T node. There is no T node. Thank you. Let's look for this. TS node. Oh, I'm an idiot. There it is. No, that's not it. I still wrote down T node. God. Okay. Alright, so what I need is to see if, let's just do child 1 or 0. 0 is the first child. Okay. But Lua is kind of inconsistent with the indexing. Okay. This gives us the first child. And we need to convert that into text. So to do that, we need presetter dot get node text. Do that. Yay, do I need to unpack it or something? What does it return? String array or string? Let's just see what this gives us and then we'll figure out the rest from there. Local, just today on local news, get operation type, and we'll also need, oh wait, so op type. Node is util.get ts node under cursor, and we give it the node over here. We'll print op type that we get. This is taking up 50% of the screen for no reason. Anyone know how to change the split? I want it to, is it set split right? Yeah, that's what I want. So if I do this now, oh no, that didn't help at all. Do I need to do set split right equals 1? No. Nope. God. I wish this would just work, but it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, doesn't matter. Let's do this. Let's test that. Oh god, I had a stroke just then. Let's test this out. Back to this guy. God, my normal font looks so tiny after a while using this. Okay. Do I do this? Does this give me the print? Yeah, this should. Jan. It didn't give me the print, but it gave me an error. Thanks, neovim. Thanks, Obama. Attempt to call value callback. Okay, so do we not need self? We do need self. What the fuck, guy? What is happening? I'm not sure. Actually, let's just look at some other plugin that already exists. CMP, buffer, whatever. Let's go. Source, okay. Source over here. Let's see complete. Yes, there is self. What the hell? Oh, I got it. Oh, I forgot. Shit. Okay. That should do it, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like the object syntax. The implicit self syntax. Let's do it. Okay. Alright, so this should give me January. Perfect. And it should print nil. No, that's not what I wanted, but thanks, neovim. OP type is nil. Did I spell operation definition wrong? I'm not good at spelling things, so that is a real possibility. TS playground. Oh, TS playground. Document operation definition. Yeah, that should have worked, but apparently it doesn't. Let's see what this gives me. And print vim.inspect, and I think that's what it's called. Yep. Let's try this out now. Please. Oh god, I'm tired. It hurts. Everything hurts. Just work. Wait, why didn't that work here? Okay, it does work. It just took a bit. There was, yeah, messages. User data 1. I'm assuming if it was nil, vim-inspect would tell me that it's nil. So this does exist, but maybe this doesn't. Let's do this. January. It's nil. Okay, that was annoying. Oh, okay. I need. There's another parameter that I didn't see. I'm an idiot. Moron, I see. An idiot of the highest degree. Okay, so I need the buffner. Buffner, as we call it. Buff. Some people call it tomato, some people call it buffner. Okay, there's also a third parameter. Is that okay, it will concatenate it by default, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, let's do that. This guy should be yellow. Oh, I didn't pass buffner here. Buffner. Here I also need buffner. Local buffner equals vim dot, what was it, fn dot buffner. Yep, there it is. Percent. That's not percent. This is percent. Okay. This should work. Fingers are crossed. My toes are also crossed. January query. There it is. January has a field. January is a query. That is awesome. We've finally figured out where we are in the document. That's an achievement. All right. Actually, I should make a commit at this point. Just so I feel like I've accomplished something. Pete. Pics. nvim-cmp. Actually, there's the init commit, so let's go. Init commit is the shit that keeps me. Wait. And the award for the most useless commit message goes to me. OP type. So at this point, we know that. Wait. Oh. Okay, was this mutation and query? Okay, yeah. Yep, that is perfect. And if I do it here, it should be mutation. Yep. All right. So let's add that information here. Just be fancy with it. Insert text. This is fields description. This is a field. Let's have the OP type displayed here. So it shows up that, so we don't have to worry about debugging this part later. Buff now. What am I doing with my life? And also buff now. So we're here right now, and at this point where we have the operation type. Now we need the OP. Okay, we have the OP type key. We need the OP, or should we name it OP type name? I think that's more relevant. So now we need the schema at this point, obviously. So let's just do an imaginary schema. All right. So dot. Is there any other key here? No. Okay. So we'll do OP underscore type. So if it's mutation, it will go mutation underscore type, and we can get the name from there. We'll handle the errors later. Yeah, so this will give us the type, which we can use to iterate through this guy, and yeah, there it is, mutation. So this will give us the list of fields that we need to autocomplete at the top level. All right. Schema. Let's figure out how to get the schema in here. So we'll need a function source dot underscore get schema. God, I'm so hungry. Actually, let's cache this as well. Self dot underscore schema cache, or let's just keep it schema equals nil. All right, so if self dot skep, I'm an idiot, sorry, schema is not equal to nil, then return self dot schema end. Now we need to read the schema file as json, yeah, dot underscore schema. Is that it? Yeah, schema. All right, so let's do that step by step. Contents equals vim dot loop dot s underscore, how do I do this? Open. All right, let's see what this guy says. So I'll also have to assert for errors. If it's null, it should just throw an error. I'll error handle this better later on. For now, this is it. Let's use a dummy path. Yeah. This is your ./GraphQL dot. Do I need to specify CWD over here? api.c, sorry, vim.cw, no, vim.fn.cwd, no, api.cwd, no. All right. Oh, vim.loop.cwd. CWD. There it is. It's a function. Give me a function. Think I can do this then. Dot schema. Schema.json. Return vim dot. Oh wait, I've just opened the file. I haven't read it yet. So this should be the file. This, I'm just hard coding this for now. I'll change it to whatever. I think what the end state would be we have an extra JSON or an extra config file in the root of the directory, or maybe at the call site of the setup, where the user of the plugin would specify the path to the schema. I think that makes sense. Is there any other information we might need? Yeah, actually, in the is available thing, we should also be able to specify which paths this plugin should be active for. All right, I think that comes in way in the future, so let's not worry about that. Assert again. vim.loop.fs underscore read. This guy takes, oh wait, there's more parameters to this one. Okay, flags are, is that it? Mode, I don't know what that is. Let's see, how do you read file? And okay, there is some information over here. Sync version returns integer or fail. Flags, that makes sense. How do I get, let me just look this up real quick. Okay, 483 I see in an example, so I think we can do that. 483. Read 483, yeah, that makes sense. They're also doing an fs stat, which I don't see the point of. Oh, we need to specify explicitly how much we need to read, so we can do fs stat and give it the fd file descriptor, read fd comma stat dot size comma offset is 0, because we need to start from the start. Okay, this seems good, so we decode it finally. What does decode return? Okay, this took me somewhere I did not expect. This does not help. JS decode, is that JS underscore decode? Nope, that does not help. Okay, this should work. Let's see. God, I'm so hungry. Holy fuck. Oh, we also need to loop in schema equals, we also need to set it in cache, so we can do schema equals schema, and then we return schema. This makes sense. So we do this. Where is my guy? Local schema equals self dot get schema. Let's print this out then. Print vim dot inspect schema. Let's also inspect this guy because I think this may not work. Not sure. Let's see. Okay, I thought that error should have gone by now. Okay, January. I got an error. Where is the error? Attempted to index self. Okay, I'm a little confused. What's the problem here? Oh, okay. Yep. That was stupid. All right. Schema get schema. Back on track. This should work. January, no, it doesn't. Bad argument, expected string for file mode. Didn't I specify a string for file mode? I did. Oh, wait. What the hell? Yep, wrong bracket. No such file or directory. All right. That does not help. Let's print this out before I do this. I'll be stopping streaming in like 5 minutes. I said 15 minutes a while ago and it's been 30 minutes, but now it's 5 minutes. Isn't this right? All right, I'm a little confused. This is the path. Let's see if I can open this. That path. Yep, I can. Which means my editor is fucking with me. Where did I screw up? 483. Is that wrong? Is there a better thing to do there? 438. Oh, I opened it with the wrong mode. I don't know what 438 is. I'm just trusting this one documentation that I found. January. Still through an error, but no such file. 28? Why are you looking for 28? I never told you to look for 28. fstat takes a path. I'm so confused. File path, local file path equals that thing, and I just print the file path over here for debugging. So it doesn't take the file descriptor, it takes the file path, which is why the error is. This guy takes the file descriptor. Now it should work. I've been struggling with stupid things. Yep, that worked. really well actually. We've got the schema loaded and everything. Yay. Okay, my stomach is grumbling. I am off in a bit. Okay. I think, is this a good place to stop? We've got the schema loaded in. We'll remove all the print stuff. Yep. Yeah, alright. This is it. Okay, actually, I've streamed for 1 minute 48. Oh, sorry, 1 hour 48 minutes. Let's go 1 hour 50. 2 more minutes. I'm counting down the time. Okay, so. Oh, my dog is asleep. He looks so cute when he's sleeping. He has his floppy ears. Alright, back to where we were. OP type name. So what do we do from here? We schema dot types. We filter that to get dot kind. Was it? What was it called? Schema dot kind should be okay. Dot kind should be object, and dot name should be OP type name. Bane. Batman references just popping up. Schema.types, filter, whatever. Alright. I think I'll have a plan for what to do. And when you do this filter, you get an array of an array. We can flatten that to get flatten and get the fields. Okay, that didn't copy for some reason. My clipboard doesn't work the way it used to for some reason. Doesn't matter. So from in there we get a list of fields that we can display at the top level, but this is only valid for top level. So we'll also have to check if operation definition is paired. Yep. We've got a plan for tomorrow or the day after, not sure. I'm gonna go have lunch now. This is lunchtime. I'm gonna stop streaming. Goodbye. Is this how you stop streaming? Okay, 42%, 33%. What the fuck? Suddenly dropped frames. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Fuck off. Actually, no one's here, so it's okay. I can be as rude as I want. Fuck you. Fuck off. This stream sucks. Alright, I think, is there anything else that I need to do before I go? No, that's about it. Goodbye. First stream. Thumbs up to myself. I did a good job. Pat on the back. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.